And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 103. Let me show you the text on path tool, because we can use our text elements and put them on paths. And a path can simply be, for example, here this ellipse. Let me flip the colors. So the outline of the ellipse that now has a black stroke. This can be seen as a path. It actually is a path, but almost everything in Illustrator that has such an outline is a path. And when you use the type on path tool right here, you hover over the edge and then left click. If you click outside with this tool, you should get a warning message. So whenever something is detected that isn't a path, you'll get just a warning message. And that's why I made this outline a bit bigger so that you can see properly. Once you've got it, you can see the text is still selected, so I can type in something and this changes the text. As I've said, this works with almost everything. Let me flip the colors here as well. So you can see once more the simple outline. Also for a rectangle, I hover over it using the text on path tool, left click and it's edit. I can do that creating my own paths, for example, a straight line. Let me use the pen tool again, and this time I left click, then left click drag to create curved lines. Let me also flip the colors here. And this is how you could put the text on a curvy line. Whenever you've got that, you can see at the top we've got the typical parameters for our text elements. So for example, the font family, the font style, or the font size. So this is active with the regular type tool and also with the type on path tool. So if I use an ellipse again, I left click, you can see we could, for example, change here the size. So I make it a bit bigger. And what you can also see is the last word right there. This being cut off depending on the size. So if I make this bigger and bigger, the last word will always vanish. How can you adjust it to add your own text? Well, simply activate the tool again, left click on it and then press Ctrl A. This selects all the text. Here I just add a couple of characters, then a space and add more characters. And you can see when I reach the limit right here and add another character, this will make the last word vanish. So everything before the last spacing will be erased. And when you have a specific sentence or something, you can just go down with the size and this will bring back your last words that has been cut off. And this I can put text and a path in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.